Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sort of like animate stickers on CapCut PC. So they are like, some of them are already pretty animated, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can kind of like move them around on like a video. Like this one, actually this one isn't moving as much. So for instance, I want to add an animation. I'm just going to go to animation here, and I'm just going to choose an in animation. You can choose the spin in animation and also spin out animation. You can also add in a loop animation here, for instance, this pulse one for a beating heart, and you can also adjust the speed of the heart beating here. To go left, it's faster. If you go right, it's slower. As you can see, this one too, you can add in this pulse animation to it. So that is really how you can animate stickers in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!